So today I'd like to demonstrate how different stability shoes stabilize an orthotic to support the foot properly and give good body, good lower extremity alignment. So the first shoe that we're going to test this Superfeet orthotic in is a minimal stability shoe, which is down in this area. So we'll do both a midfoot stability test and a rear foot stability test. Then we'll go to this shoe and we'll compare it to this and see which shoe provides the best structural support utilizing the Superfeet. So the first thing we'll do is we'll place the Superfeet into a Brooks Adrenaline, which is in the minimal stability category, and we'll place it on our machine. The first test we're going to do is we're going to test the midfoot stability of the shoe, of course with the Superfeet in it, and we're going to torque the shoe 15 degrees, measure that inch-pounds. The more inch-pounds resistance, the more midfoot stability. So let's start with that. And we have about 52 inch-pounds. So we'll place that into our calculator. Okay. So now the next thing we're going to do is test the firmness in the rear under the heel of the rear part of the midsole. The firmer the midsole, the more stability. The softer the midsole, the less stability. We'll load this 100 pounds and we'll calculate how firm it is by millimeters. So let's start with this. And we'll compress it to 100 pounds. And that is 5.96 millimeters. So let's place that in our calculator. Okay. So now the next thing we're going to do is we're going to do exactly the same test with the Brooks Aerial. And that shoe is up here in the high stability, as you can see. So we'll start with that. Okay, let's go ahead and we'll rotate this to 86 inch-pounds. So we'll place that in here. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to test the rear foot. So let's go ahead with that. And we'll compress that to 100 pounds to see how firm it is in the rear foot. And that is 4.12 millimeters. And we have all our data. So let's go over this. So the high stability shoe provided 65.38% more midfoot stability than the less stability shoe, the Adrenaline. It had 30.87% more rear foot stability than the Adrenaline. The vertical support, and that's the heel to toe, loaded heel to toe drop, was 30.46% more than the Adrenaline. And the overall stability in the Brooks Aerial was 56.71% more than the Adrenaline. So this kind of shows you how important the stability of the shoe is in regards to the use or the stability of the orthotic. So overall, the use of a high stability shoe will make the orthotic much more functional than the softer shoe. So that is an important aspect of making orthotics, is associating the correct shoe that will make that orthotic much more functional.